Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some Dany Vianna haul swatches to share. And it was from the Going Pfft section of her channel. This one's Cunning. And the next one is Cleverness. The yellow here is Loyalty. And the red is Bravery. Anybody got any idea what this is about? Yeah, another Harry Potter. Philosopher's Stone, and this one is Chamber of Secrets. So yeah, I had to go get those. And then she sent as a special gift Brindle. It's the gift with purchase. Here we go. So I'm sorry this part's blurry, but I promise it gets better. It's just that first little bit that's going to be off. But I wanted to show all of, what I was doing. So here we go. Much, much better. And I'm going to swatch these out on this swatch wheel and top coat them. And I am going to show you what they look like with a glossy top coat and a matte top coat. And what happened was I ended up on her storefront and I caught on with these polishes that were in the gone section. And that kind of, I always go check that out because I don't want to miss out on something. And I might have already missed out on other polishes from some Harry Potter stuff. I don't know what I missed out on, but that's okay. I'm really happy to have gotten my hands on all of these. They're very, very pretty. A lot of them are more fall-like, but that's okay. Like these two that the one I just did and the one I'm doing now, I could see them really being a fall polish, but whatever. We wear what we want to wear whenever. And this is the polish she threw in as a gift with purchase. And you can't see it really good on the video, but it's acrylic, or no, well, maybe it is. But it's definitely white, and it's got like little glitters in it. Very pretty. Here we go with the swatch photos. I'm just not going to name them all again. If you're interested in something, you can go check it out. I will be having a link for Dany Vianna down below if you're interested in checking her out. I bought these polishes. These weren't sent as PR or anything. I just bought them because I'm a junkie and had to have them. And I'm really glad I got them. They're so pretty. That yellow could have been a one coater, but we wanted to give it all its business. But I really enjoyed these, and I can't wait to wear them. I love this one. So definitely the blue one and the red one are definitely going to need a third coat, in my opinion. But some of these really could have been one coaters, and I still did two coats because we do what we do when we're doing. And so I'm saving the swatch photos for the third coat on the blue and the red, just in case I'm getting confusing here. Kind of doing video and swatch photos. So the ones that are done, I'm showing the swatch photo. So here we go with the last one. And I really enjoyed these. And I thought it was really sweet that she tossed in an extra, to my order. And, you always love getting any kind of little bonuses. Really, really like these. Can't wait to wear them, of course. Look at that blue. That blue is just, oof, lovely. It's like copper flakies in there or something. Stunning. Love it. And then final swatch of the red. And I forgot the names already. I'm sorry. I'm one of those people. And it's okay. Look at that. So that is it for my swatches today. I hope you enjoyed these. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.